Life on Earth is constantly evolving, and at the heart of that process is reproduction, the mechanism that ensures the survival of species and the continuation of life itself. Today, we're diving into how reproduction works and the difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. First, let's look at asexual reproduction. This type of reproduction involves just one parent producing offspring that are genetically identical to itself. Think of bacteria, which reproduce through a process called binary fission, where a single cell splits into two. As you can see, asexual reproduction is fast and efficient, but it doesn't introduce much genetic variety. This means that while it's great for creating large number of offspring quickly, the species could struggle if the environment changes. Now, let's talk about sexual reproduction. This involves two parents, one producing sperm and the other producing eggs. When these gametes combine, the offspring inherit a mix of genetic material from both parents. This means each new organism has unique traits. Sexual reproduction happens in most animals and plants, including us humans. Sexual reproduction takes more time and energy, but it's key to creating genetic diversity. And that diversity? It's what allows populations to adapt to changes in their environment, ensuring survival over time. So, to sum it up, asexual reproduction is fast and efficient, but produces identical offspring. Sexual reproduction, on the other hand, takes more time and energy but creates genetic diversity, helping species thrive in a changing world. Whether it's through asexual or sexual reproduction, life continues to evolve, adapt, and persist. And that's the magic of how life perpetuates itself on Earth.